Hello, today I'm going to show you how the Smart Task Planner works. Starting with, we have to select the terminal. I'm going to click on the new terminal, and here I'm going to navigate into the backend flow folder initially because I've divided my project into backend and front end. Now I'm going to execute this. I have used Django for writing the scripts, and I'm going to execute and start my server. Now we can see the system performs the checks, and we can see the development server is at a certain port, and now let us also start our front end server. I'm going to use another terminal. I'm going to click on front end. I'm going to navigate to there, and then I'm going to start. I've used the React.js to develop my front end, and I'm going to just start my server. As you can see, the React scripts are running at a certain port that you can see right now. Yeah, the development server is starting, and this is where the script runs, and this is my front end page. I want the user to just click on the plan option, and I've named it as shoot and plan because I want the user to shoot their query here, and click on the generate plan as they want to plan. And right now we also have PG admin where I want to show you the tasks, goals, and how the deadlines and what are completed at and when they are completed at. So right now I'm just going to enter my goal initially. So let us say I want to make chicken curry today. So I've mentioned it that I want to make it today. So I think my LLM understands that it is today. So I'm generating the plan. As you can see, it is generating, and there is no specific limit of tasks that we have kept for this. So it is based on what the LLM wants to take, because that is how we gave the prompt. And you can see the deadlines for every subtask is today, and they're divided into 4 subtasks. And when I'm going to click on the checkbox, when the task is specific is done, it is going to be checked out, and you can view it in your history over here. Alright, now I want to demonstrate you how this is being saved in my PG database. So I'm just going to run it again, and as you can see, this is the goal that I've given, and these are what the tasks my LLM has generated, and this is the deadline I've mentioned, and this is when the box or a specific task is checked out at. So you can see it over here. So I'm going to give you another example. So I'm just going to go back. I just have a button here to go back to the planner. So I'm going to just click out here that I'm just going to say make an assignment on SQL today. Well, I'm going to generate plan now. As you can see that it is being generated, and yeah, it is generated, and we can see there are five subtasks. As I've already told you, whenever I'm giving it as today, my LLM understands the prompt that the deadline is today, and it is giving it is as the 15th October 2025, which is same as the day right now. Well, same as the date right now, I'm so sorry. And whenever I just check out the box, now you can view it in the history. Well, this is what has been done, and you can see these being completed at specific timings, and all of this data is being stored in my PG database. And you can see this is the goal I've given, and these are what has been generated, and these are the deadlines that I've mentioned, and these are the particular timestamps. So let us say I want to make a small website for my college project in 4 days. Uh, Now let us see what is being generated. As you can see, the deadlines are met. So here we can see that one of the task is for 16th, one of the task is for 17th, one of the task is for 18th, and one for 19th. So that is 4 days from now, and our LLM has perfectly generated it. And whenever you just cross them out, you can see them as usual in your history over here, and you can also see them in your PG database. Whenever I reload it, I can see it. So whatever you completed, you can just check it out over here, and you can also see the deadlines being appeared as true as whatever is being generated. So now let us just see how we are integrating our LLM. So I've just taken my API key from one of the LLM websites, and then I've just put it over here, and then I'm connecting it using the Planner app, which is part of the Django project backend, and I'm using the AI underscore helper.py file, and I'm just importing it over here using the base URL. This is where the API key works. So it is the API key connects our project to this open router.ai, which is the LLM website we are using here. We can also use something that is like transformers to do this task, but I'm directly using the API to show the connections and how it works overall. Thank you.